Hello traders, here I'm gonna show you a quick video on how to place alerts. Okay, and the main alert that I would bring today, it's the crossing alert, which is pretty much you can set up on any chart wherever you want an alert if a symbol, if the price crosses a specific price. Okay, so for example here on Nvidia on the daily chart, you can get anywhere. For example, right here, I want to place a chart at 81.53. So if I click here and add a crossing alert, a new alert is created. So once the stock crosses here, it's gonna be showing me the alert. So I don't know, let's get Palantir. Same. So if this stock crosses, for let's say now I want a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line and I want a crossing alert if it crosses it. Amazing. So I can pretty much be alerted if the line crosses that specific place. Okay, so another thing that I could do is go to alerts. It's right here, guys, on alarms, and you can see all the alarms that you have already set it up. So right here you can set it up and see, and you can delete and you can add an alert in every single symbol. Okay, and even see what was triggered already. Okay, on the home page here you can set up other types of alerts. Okay, so for example, opening and closing markets, so you can set up a time that repeatedly gonna send you a message, even a sound with colors, that it's the market open, the market closes. I don't know, if you're trading stocks and you see that it's how we call it, like the power hour, which is the last hour of the market, you can set up a message for power hour. Okay, also achieved goals. So this is a nice one that you can set up a value that you achieved, or a loss as well, as a gain, as a profit that you achieved, and now your system sends you a message that you already achieved your profit goal on the day. Okay, so these are some of the main information, or like even calendar. You can set up alerts here, but these are the main ones that you can use for setting up alarms and alerts for trading purposes. Okay, thank you, and until the next video.